Hello students, good morning. How are you? Hope all you are fine. It's me Mamta Rana, your math teacher, and today I am going to teach for class 3 about angles. Okay, all of you students be ready. This picture, yes, here AB one line segment and BC another line segment. Yes, when two line segment AB and BC meet at a point, yes, and they form a angle. Yes, this is the angle. The line segment AB and another line segment BC, they meet at a point, yes, they form a corner, yes, that corner is called angle. Okay, there we found angle. Okay, and the angle name is angle ABC. Yes, we say this angle ABC. Okay, and written, how to write? Giving this notation, angle ABC, or in another way, yes, from this side, angle CBA, angle CBA. Okay, this is the notation of angles. Okay, how to write the angle? Simply we can write angle B also. Okay, this angle name is simply we can write angle B also. Okay, when two line segments meet at a point, they form a angle. Okay, look, this line segment AB and this line segment BC, they meet at a point B, yes, and they form a angle. Okay, this is a angle. And how to say the name of this angle? Okay, angle ABC. Yes, the name of this angle is angle ABC. And how to write it? Angle ABC. Give this notation. This is the angle sign. Okay, the notation of angle. So angle ABC, or in another way, angle from this side, CBA. While writing the name of angle, yes, where the angle it is formed, that letter should be at middle. Okay, here in the B point the angle is formed, so we have to keep this B letter at the middle. Look, here is also B in the middle. Here also B in the middle. Okay, angle ABC or angle CBA. Yes, this is the representation of angle. Okay, this is the writing type of angle. How to write the name of angle? Okay, let's take another angle. Okay, one line segment X, Y, and another line segment XW. Okay, one line segment is XY and another line segment is XW. They meet at a point X. So here in the point X form a angle. Yes, here made a angle. And how to write the name of this angle? Okay, angle. Okay, here YXW. Yes, how to write the name of this angle? YXW. This X should be at the middle, so YXW. Or in the next way, yes, you write the name of this angle from this downside letter WXY. Yes, the name of angle is WXY. Y. W X Y. And simply we can write this, the name of this angle, simply angle X also. Okay, angle X also we can write. Okay, here we use all the letters. Okay, here only we use the name of angle where the angle it is formed. Yes, in the X point there is the angle formed, so angle X also we can say. Okay, so you have to know these two types. Okay, these two types you have to know. Okay, next, vertex and arms of the angle. This you read in class 2 also. Okay, vertex and the arms of the angle. Next topic is vertex, and arms of angle. Okay, just now we learned about angle and how to write the name of the angles, and now vertex and arms of the angle. Okay, let's make an angle A, B, C. Here in the B point the angle is formed. Yes, and what is the vertex of angle? Okay, vertex of angles mean where the angle it is formed. Here in the B point the angle it is formed, so the vertex of the angle is B. Okay, vertex is B. Vertex mean where, in which point the angle is formed. Okay, here it is not the angle made. Yes, here also not the angle made. Yes, in the point B the angle is formed, so the point B is called the vertex of the angle. Okay, student. And next, arms. Arms mean the line segments, yes, which need to form a angle. Yes, the line segments which need to form a angle. Okay, without these two line segments, there we can't form the angles. Okay, so these two line segments are called the arms of the angle. So AB line and this BC line segment, they are the arms of the angle. So AB and BC. Okay, students, again vertex. Vertex means where the angle is formed. In which point the angle is formed, that is the vertex of the angle. So here in this picture, in this angle, in the B point the angle is formed, so B is the vertex of the angle. And the arms. Arms means those line segment which we need to make a angle. Yes, these two line. Yes, with the help of these two line segment AB and BC, we form the angle here in the B point. So AB and BC are the arms of the angles. Understood, student? Okay, and next picture, I will draw your next picture. Okay, you try to give me the answer. Okay. P, Q, R. Look at this picture. Here two line segments are used. Yes, PQ line segment and this RQ or QR. Yes, PQ line segment or QR line segment. These two line segments are used to make a angle. Here the angle is formed, and yes, this point where the angle is formed, this point, it is called vertex. Good. Here vertex of the angle is Q point. Yes, Q is the vertex of angle. And arms. And the arms are the line segment which are used to form the angle. Yes, so PQ and this QR, these two line segments are the arms of the angle. So PQ and QR. Yes, PQ and QR are the arms of this angle. Okay, any problem? No. Yes. Okay, and next, comparison of angle. Very easy topic. Okay, next is comparison of angles. Yes, just now we know the vertex and the arms of the angle, and now the comparison of angles. Okay, comparison means which one angle is bigger, which one is smaller. Okay, so let's take two angles here. Okay, A, B, C and P, Q, R. Okay, I have drawn here two angles, A, B, C angle and P, Q, R next angle. Okay, you can see here and you can say which one is smaller and which one is bigger. Okay, for that, yes, to compare two angles, we have to see, we have to look, yes, the distance between these two line segment. If the distance between two line segment, yes, this is bigger, then we can say this is biggest angle. Yes, and if the distance between two line segment is smaller, then we can say this is small angle. Yes, so which one angle is largest? Which one is larger? This one. Yes, this one is larger angle and this one is smaller angle. Yes, okay, there is no problem to compare the angle. Yes, and next P, Q, R. Yes, this angle and X, Y, Z. Okay, look these two angles, P, Q, R and X, Y, Z. This first angle, this is smaller than this second angle. Yes, this is smaller angle and this is larger angle. Yes, yes, this is the comparison of angle. There is no problem to compare the angle, very easy. Okay, we completed our class. Yes, okay, and you have to do your homework. Page number 11 and 12. Okay, you have to complete your home assignment and class assignment that is given in page number 11 and page number 12. Your homework. Page number 11 and 12. Complete all. Okay. Complete all. If any problem you found, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you class.